Hello everyone, welcome to DelphStack Tutorials. In today's video, we will show you how to shorten a Google Forms link. Go to googleforms.com and make sure that you are already logged into your Google account. Now go to a blank form or open an existing template that you are already working on. Here I will select a quiz that I have already created. Now we will create a shortened link for this Google form. On the top right corner, click on the three dots and select Pre-fill Form. This will open a new tab and allow you to generate a shorter link. In the new tab, click on the Get Link option. After that, go back to the previous page where you will see the link options. Enable the option to shorten the URL by clicking on it. The link will automatically be converted into a shortened version. You can now copy this shortened link and share it. That's how you can create a shortened Google Forms link. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.